Hello students, how can we solve the value of x? This is an Olympiad math question. Okay, so I can write this equation as x under root into under root x square. So 2 with cancel with under root, it will become equal to x, so it will become also equal to x, so I can write it as 1 equal to 10. Okay, so let's suppose under root x equal to t, so it will simplify for me, so this will become t, and this will become t square plus 1 equal to 10. Okay, so t into t square equal to t cube plus t into t1 equal to t into 1 equal to t equal to 10. Okay, so can I write 10 as 8 plus 2? Okay, so I can write here, so this will become t cube plus t equal to 8 plus 2, so this will become t cube plus t equal to 2 cube plus 2, so this will 2 cube and this is t cube, so t cube I will write this 2 cube will write here, so minus 2 cube plus t minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, I shifted this 2 term to the right hand side, so t cube I can write t cube minus 2t by formula, which is t minus 2 into t square plus t into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, so this term will become like this. Okay, so can I write here t negative 2 into t square plus t plus 2t, t multiplied by 2 equal to 2t plus 2 square, which is equal to 4, into 1 minus t plus 1, sorry, this is t minus 2, so t negative 2 will become equal to 0. So I common this term t minus 2 and t minus 2, I common this t minus 2 into t square plus 2t plus 4 plus 1, which is this term, equal to 0. Okay, so this will become equal to, this is the one term and this is the other second term. Okay, so t equal to 2, this is my first, and t square plus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so I solve this by quadratic formula. Let a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. This is 1t, this is 2t, and this is 5, c equal to 5. So in quadratic formula, t equal to b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, So at the places of B and C and A, we will put these values. So at place of B, 2 plus minus B square, 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 divided by 2C. Okay, so from there it will become 2 plus minus, so if I solve this, 4 and 20, 16 minus 16 under root minus 16 and 4 square. Okay, so this will become plus minus 4 iota. Okay, 16 4 4 are 16. Okay, divided by 2. So this will become I common 2, so 1 plus minus 2 iota divided by 2. 2 cancel with 2. Okay, so from here t will become equal to 1 plus minus 2 iota. Okay, now I put the value of t. So we suppose that under root x equal to t, so there will be two answers. Okay, one answer is this, which is t. At the place of t I write here under root x, okay, equal to 2. So if I square both sides, square and square both sides, this will cancel with this, so x will become equal to 4. First possible value in that, and the second possible value, which is this equation, so t equal to plus 1 plus minus 2 iota. So t, this is -1, like this. Here is negative, here is negative. Okay, sorry for that mistake. So this is -1, and here we will write t, so under root x will become equal to -1 plus minus 2 iota, -1 plus minus 2 iota. So when I square both sides, here and here, so this cancel with this, it will become x, and this will become -1 square plus minus, okay, so plus minus 2 iota square plus 2 into -1 plus minus 2 iota. Okay, so this will become 1 plus 4 iota square, 4 iota square minus and minus, so 2 2s are 4, 4 iota. Okay, so this will become equal to, x will become equal to -3, okay, plus minus 4 iota. Okay, so from here there will be two possible equations. So x will become -3 plus 4 iota, okay, or x equal to -3 minus 4 iota. There is two possible equations. So the one possible equation is this, and the other possible equation is this, and the other possible value of x will be this. Thank you very much.